Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the controls menu on this device. First, let's open the controls menu so I can show you how it looks like. To open the controls menu, press and hold the light/control button. After a second or two, the menu should open, and here we have the list of shortcuts on this menu. And you can scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. And we have shortcuts like power off, stopwatch, battery saver, do not disturb mode, backlight and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu. To do it, go back to watch face, press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Now scroll down by pressing the down button, find the option called appearance, select it and press the GPS button. And here scroll down, select controls, press the GPS button, and you should see the list of controls or shortcuts. And we can do a couple of things. We can remove the item from the list, add the new item to the list, and change the order of the list. So basically we can move the items around. To remove the items from the list, simply select the item you want to remove, press the GPS button, select remove option, and press the GPS button like this. So the stopper should be gone from the list now. To add the new item, simply select the option add new, press GPS, and you should have the list of items you can add. For example, let's add sunrise and sunset, and then press the GPS to add it. And once you add it, you can press the back button, and it should be right here on the list. And if you want to move the items through the list, change the order, simply select the item you want to move. For example, sunrise and sunset, press the GPS on it, select the reorder option, press GPS, and we can move it around by using the up and down buttons. For example, let's move it behind the power off, press GPS to confirm, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. Now I'm gonna open the controls menu, and as you can see here we have the sunrise and sunset right behind the power off. Okay, and that's how you customize the controls menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.